Enjoy a low-maintenance lifestyle in this beautifully maintained paired villa featuring a brick and vinyl exterior. The HOA takes care of lawn care, irrigation, and snow removal so you can spend more time enjoying the community amenities. Inside, you'll find a bright, open kitchen with stainless steel appliances and a sunny southern exposure. A sliding glass door leads to your private patio, perfect for morning coffee or evening relaxation. Let your furniture define the space you need for living and dining areas in this spacious open layout. The huge primary bedroom offers a generous walk-in closet and an attached 3/4 bath for added comfort. With one-level living throughout, this home is designed for convenience. Barrington Ridge residents enjoy access to a year-round clubhouse and fitness center, plus a sparkling outdoor pool in the summer.